Hello and welcome to FingerQuest. This is an arcade-style shooting game developed using JavaScript and Ruby on Rails. It takes a lot of influences from some of the most classic arcade shooters like Space Invaders and others in that genre, so you'll probably see a lot of similarities here. Now before we jump in, on the left-hand side of the screen you'll see that there are some basic instructions, most important of which is how to control your player moving with the left and right keys on your keypad and the space bar to shoot. Now currently this game only has 3 levels. Each level begins with a screen like this one where you have the opportunity to get one of any number of random bonuses. In this case we got 3 points of health, which is fantastic. On the left hand side of your screen you'll see all of your players' information, which is just ammunition and health. Because we just got a bonus of 3 health, we got an additional 3 health added to our user's health, which is fantastic. On the right hand side of the screen you'll see our boss's health. Here we have Justin Bieber. He has 3 health, now 2. It's important to note that this game actually has a lot of audio in it, but for the sake of filming this demonstration I decided to remove it simply because you couldn't hear me if it was still on. Now, every single time that an entity moves on the screen, like that thumb moving up towards the chest, it's actually its own independent element. So the game actually stores every element that's on the screen in an array, and every single game interval, which happens basically every frame, each element moves independently of one another. So this allows us to very easily handle collision detection, movement, shooting, etc. Actually, one of the most difficult and important features of this game, which is a fairly standard feature in just about any arcade shooting game, is the ability for the user to move and shoot at the same time. For some reason, JavaScript struggles to handle multiple simultaneous key press events, key down events. So in order to add that essential functionality, every time a user presses a key on their keyboard, and it is one of the correct acceptable keys in the game, like the left, right, and spacebar, the game determines what action to accomplish based on the combination of keys indicated by the array. So if, for example, I want to move left and shoot will be added to the array, and the game will accomplish the correct action. As you can see, I won with a score of 45. The score is just adding and multiplying information about your ammunition, how much you used, health, how much health you lost, how many bosses you defeated, and so on. And if I put in my name here, Mad Max, you'll see that it's added to the leaderboard in the 4th position behind Demo 1 and ahead of the winner, in a properly sorted leaderboard. Now, this game is very much still in development, so in the future, hopefully there'll be more levels, and I'm sure that there are some edge cases that need to be handled, but I appreciate your time, and thank you for watching.